going to draw an islandy, watery scene. So we're going to put like layers of waves, and we'll have a boat, and maybe some like creatures in the waves. So starting close to the bottom with the page up and down like this, we're going to draw a wavy line. Not like scribbly, just wavy. Okay, then we're going to move up a little bit. We're going to make another line. This time we're going to make a curve that comes over, and then we're going to stop. Over, stop. And then right where it stopped, we're going to put a C. And then at the end of the C, we're going to make it curve over again. So we're going to do that to make a pattern. So we're going to curve over again. C. Curve over again. C. And curve over until it goes off the page. And then I'm going to make another wavy line, like the one at the bottom. Now on this one we're going to put our little canoe boat. So we're going to make a curve that goes down into the water. And then we're going to imagine the bottom of the boat. Boop, 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 boop. And wherever you want the boat to come out, and you're going to draw the other side coming out. And you're going to draw a straight line across. Now often the wood of the canoe would have carvings on it, so you can put decorations like shapes and lines. Any kind of decorations you like. And we're just going to draw like a simplified person to be in our canoe. So we're going to start with the little circle for their head. And we're going to put a line under their head for their shoulders. And we're going to go down on both sides of their shoulders, and we're going to come in a little bit so they get a little skinnier. Okay, and then we're going to put a little rectangle for the bottom of their body. Alright, and then on each side of the rectangle we could put 2 lines for their legs into the boat, because they're standing in the boat. And we could put a rectangle up here on their shoulder for their arms. And then because they're steering the boat, they'll have an oar or a stick, so we can put that in one of their hands. Alright, there's our little guy on the boat. Alright, we're going to do another wavy line, and if it bumps into our guy, we're just going to imagine where it comes out and finish it. We're going to do this wavy line, but going the other way, so it's going to be backward C's. Okay, so we're going to go curve up, backward C. Oh, I hit his stick, so I'm just going to imagine where it comes out. Curve up. Backward C. Curve it. Backward C. Curve up. Backward C. Curve up. Backward C. Until it goes off the page. In the very background, we're going to put an island, so we're going to make a hill that goes up, and maybe a little hill, and then down into the water. So it's going to go up, down, little hill, and then down into the water. Let's put some fun little things in our waves. We can put fish. So for a fish, you could put an oval with a triangle stuck to it, and a little dot for the eye. And you can do that lots of times. You can make a bigger oval, littler oval. You can make a whole school of fish. Here, let's put a shark fin. So we're going to do kind of like we were doing on these. We're going to have a curve that goes up and then a C. But instead of finishing the whole wave, we're going to put a line underneath to show that it's in the water. Shark fin. And over here, let's put a jellyfish. So we're going to do another oval, but instead of making it a fish, now we're going to put long tentacles coming off of it. And you could put a little flower shape in the top. Alright, let's add, I'm going to put an octopus over here. So we're going to put an upside down U for its head. And then we're going to make a tentacle that comes out and then comes right back in. So we're going to go out and then real close, come back. And we're going to do that along the bottom until we get to the other side of its head. So go out, and back, out, and back, out, and back, out, and back, out, and back. And then on its head, you're going to put its two little eyes. You don't actually see its mouth because it's under its octopus arms. Alright, you could add more stuff to the sea, like seashells, more waves, other sea creatures. I'm going to go ahead and add some clouds in the sky. All right, and there is our ocean picture.